First, go to the link in the description. Click facefusion.ipynb. Click on Download. Now in a new tab, search Google Colab. Go to this website. Sign in with your Google account. Click on File. Click on Upload Notebook. Upload the downloaded file. After uploaded, click Connect. After connecting, run these two cells. Wait 5 to 10 minutes until the green tick appears. Now click on this link, it will take you to this page. Select CUDA for fast processing. Now upload your photo in the Source tab and upload your video in the Target tab. After uploading, click Start. You can see the processing in the previous tab. Wait sometimes until your video creation is complete. It can take 15 to 30 minutes for a 10-second video, but you will get the best result. And voila, our video is ready. If you have any questions, please comment.